Today we're going to dive into a topic that is fundamental to our health and well-being, but rarely discussed with the respect it deserves. I'm talking about our liver. Think of your liver as your body's orchestra conductor, or better yet, as a super advanced recycling plant that works 24/7 without complaint. Its to-do list is impressive. It filters and neutralizes toxins, converts nutrients into energy, produces essential proteins for blood clotting, and helps digest fats. It is in essence our main detox engine. But let's be honest, with our modern lifestyles, we sometimes give our liver more work than it can handle. Stress, lack of sleep, a diet loaded with ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, and of course alcohol, can all put it to the test. The liver is incredibly resilient, but it's not invincible. The good news is that we are not alone in this battle. Nature has endowed us with incredible allies, everyday foods that can give our liver the support it needs to function at its best. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 kitchen superheroes that you can easily find at any market and that, when consciously incorporated into your diet, can make a monumental difference in your liver's health. Superhero. #1. Lemon, a natural wake-up call. The first superhero on our list couldn't be simpler, but don't underestimate its power. I'm talking about the humble yet formidable lemon. Most of us use it to add a fresh touch to our meals or drinks, but the lemon is much more than that. It's loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. But most important for our topic today are its citrus compounds. These compounds stimulate the production of bile, an essential fluid that helps transport toxins out of the body. A simple habit that has gained popularity for good reason is starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It's not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful ritual. It gives your liver a gentle push to begin its morning detoxification work. With just half a lemon squeezed into a glass of warm water, you're offering your body a dose of alkalizing hydration and enzymes that prepare your liver for the day. A tip: if you're concerned about your tooth enamel, you can drink it through a straw or rinse your mouth with water afterward. And if you struggle with heartburn, it's always best to start slowly or consult your doctor. Superhero #2, beets, the spa for your liver. Our second superhero is a vegetable so vibrantly colored it looks like something out of a fairy tale. The beet, also known as beetroot. Beets are like a luxurious spa treatment for your liver. Its intense red color comes from a compound called betaine, an incredible nutrient that not only gives beets their pigment, but also helps liver cells get rid of toxins and metabolize fats more efficiently. Think of betaine as a kind of personal trainer that helps liver cells optimize their performance. Additionally, beets are a fantastic source of fiber which not only aids digestion, but also binds toxins and flushes them out of the body. They're rich in antioxidants and folate, which protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. How to include them in your diet? The options are endless. You can grate them raw into salads, roast them with a little olive oil and herbs, or even make them into a juice. If you're new to beet juice, I recommend blending it with sweeter ingredients like carrots, apples, or oranges. This way, you soften their earthy flavor and create a nutritious and delicious drink. Superhero #3, garlic, the detox bomb. Last but not least, we have an old friend from the kitchen. A small bulb with an unmistakable flavor and aroma, garlic. Many consider it a simple condiment, but garlic is a true treasure for liver health. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin that activate the liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. These enzymes are like little workers working tirelessly to convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds, which the body can easily excrete. In addition to its role in detoxification, garlic has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect liver cells from damage. And the best part is that you can incorporate it into almost any dish. Add it to your stews, soups, sauces, or stir-fries. A little trick to maximize its power: chop or crush the garlic and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes before cooking. This allows the sulfur compounds to activate and unleash their full potential. Now, I want to be very clear about something. These 3 foods are fantastic tools, but they're not a miracle cure. The liver functions best when it's part of a healthy and conscious lifestyle. Imagine your liver as a soccer team. The foods I've mentioned are star players, but the entire team needs to train. That means hydration. Drink enough pure water throughout the day. Water is essential to help your body eliminate toxins. Balanced diet: limit consumption of ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, saturated fats, and alcohol. Opt for whole foods, green leafy vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Exercise. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation and helps reduce body fat, including that which can accumulate in the liver. Sleep and stress management. The liver regenerates during sleep, and chronic stress can have a negative impact on your entire body. In short, the three superheroes for your liver are lemon, beets, and garlic. I invite you to choose one of them and commit to incorporating it into your diet this week. You could start with a simple glass of lemon water in the morning, or maybe grate some beets into your salad. It's not the quantity that matters, but the consistency. Taking care of our liver isn't a fad, it's an investment in our long-term health. By nourishing this vital organ with the right foods, we not only help it do its job, but we also feel more energetic, more vital, and more robust overall health. I hope this video has inspired you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.